The other thing is, if you look at the standing orders, let me just go to standing orders. As it relates to the public accounts, the PAAC, it makes it clear what this committee is supposed to be doing. It says, examine budgetary expenditures of government, agencies, and other public bodies to ensure that expenditure is done in accordance with the parliamentary approval. B, that's section 73A. B, monitor expenditure as it occurs and keep the parliament informed of how the budget is being implemented. And C, inquire into the administration of the government to determine hindrance to efficiencies and making recommendation to the government for the improvement of public administration.
And it falls squarely into B and C.
And C?
Squarely into C. And there is precedent that it was done by this committee after burial.
No, I'm not talking about precedent, I'm talking about who's right. I was never part of it before.
But I'm saying, I'm reading the same clause you are.
It doesn't fall into C anyhow. But anyhow, I don't make check, but we must follow the proper procedure. That's what I'm saying.
Noted. But
I don't have a problem. But for going forward, let us follow the proper procedure. Chairman, that's all I'm saying.
I hear you, Mr. Warmington, and I know you're a stickler for
let's just follow the procedure. That's all I'm asking
for proper procedure. But I just say, reading here, the first meeting of the